In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Pi to your OKX wallet using the OKX app. First, open the OKX app and switch to the Wallet/Web3 tab at the bottom. Make sure you've already created and backed up your OKX Web3 wallet. On the wallet screen, tap Manage Tokens/plus and search for Pi. If it appears, enable it, then tap Pi arrow receive and copy your Pi wallet address. Next, open your Pi app/Pi wallet where your Pi is stored. Go to the Transfer/Send/Withdraw section and choose to send Pi to an external wallet. Paste the OKX Pi address you copied, double-check it carefully, enter the amount of Pi you want to send, and confirm the transaction. After the transfer is confirmed on the network, go back to OKX Web3 Wallet and your Pi balance should appear. If you don't see it, open Manage Tokens, make sure Pi is turned on, and refresh the wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.